Here's why some people seem to age slower and much better than others. By accident or on purpose, they do several factors right each and every day. And of all the things that you can focus on that's going to have a big input on anti-aging and healthy aging, the big category is sleep quantity and sleep quality. Now, these are two different factors that are interrelated. They're intertwined. First, sleep quantity. All of the science, not some, but all of the science says that we need 7 to 8 hours of good, deep, restful sleep every night. 7 to 8. All of the science says if we sleep less than 7 hours each and every night, we'll ultimately have a problem with stress and cellular aging. So ultimately, your target is 7 to 8 hours. Interestingly, if you sleep longer than 9 hours, that's not good either. So the target is 7 to 8 hours of good, restful sleep each and every night. Now, I know there's a big contradiction on the internet to this, and it goes like this. There are powerful men and women that are CEOs of major companies that say they can get away with 4 hours of sleep each and every night. And by the way, if you're taking a snapshot right now, they're getting away with that. And maybe we're envious of that because it seems like they have more hours during the day to do things they need to do to get things accomplished. But here's the key. They are truly burning the candle at both ends, and ultimately it will catch up with them. Cellular aging will advance and they just won't age well. So the reality is the science, and I mean all of the science says, we need 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep every night. That's the first part. The second part is sleep quality, and this has to do with deep sleep. When you're sleeping at night, several times your brain goes into what's called slow wave sleep. This is also known as deep sleep. And during deep sleep, something magic happens. Now, magic's not a scientific term, but it's practical because listen to this. Every organ, gland, tissue, and system in the human body is resting, repairing, regenerating, and restoring while you're in deep restful sleep, which is slow wave sleep. Ultimately, in addition to this, your brain is releasing growth hormone. And this is an amazing anti-aging elixir. Of all the things you can do, you want to enhance growth hormone naturally each and every night because growth hormone literally slows the aging process and refurbishes and regenerates our cells so they're healthier each and every day. The key is deep sleep is where growth hormone is being released. Now, you remember Ponce de Leon looking for the fountain of youth? The fountain of youth is definitely growth hormone. You also have probably seen some really attractive athletic stars, movie stars, and ultimately rich people that supplement with this every day. They take glutathione injections. I don't recommend that. Your brain will make growth hormone naturally if you just allow it time to get into deep sleep each and every night. So that's the next part. In addition to that, when growth hormone goes up at night when you're sleeping, the next day, there are multiple benefits. Your metabolism goes up, your basal metabolic rate, which means your cells in your body are burning more calories at rest. This means you don't have a problem burning fat and losing body fat, number one, because your metabolism's high. But the second part is really the magic. Again, practical, not scientific. The magic is the fact that your cells have more energy now to do the things that cells need to do. They're producing more ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. That's the energy currency of our cells. And now that they're rich with currency, they're juiced with energy, if you will, they can do all the things cells need to do, like take in nutrients, metabolize them, and excrete waste products. So your body is detoxifying better through deep sleep. In addition to that, oh my gosh, the next benefit is absolutely incredible. Your metabolic rate goes up, your ATP goes up, your energy goes up, and in your neurons, when your neurons have more energy, they can not only go through cellular house cleaning better and detox, but they have extra energy to produce more neurotransmitters associated with focus, concentration, mood, memory, mental energy, and mental performance. So now you look better, you feel better, and you truly are aging slower. In addition to that, you have a boost in your hormones. Men will have better, higher testosterone the entire next day after sleeping in deep sleep every night. And women will have a wonderful balance between pregnenolone, progesterone, and estrogen. We know as men and women age, they go through andropause for men and menopause for women. This is caused by sleep disturbances. To the degree you improve your deep sleep quality, you can improve your hormones naturally so you look better, feel better, and age slower. In addition to that, there is better recovery. Remember, every organ, gland, tissue, and system is resting, repairing, regenerating, and restoring in deep sleep. So now, when you exercise, and every one of us need to be exercising every day, when you exercise, your body goes through some level of cellular stress, which means there's a little bit of cellular damage. But while you're sleeping, the cells are repairing and getting stronger. So the next day, you've got an enhanced capacity to do more physical work and more mental work. So you feel better, again, look better, and age slower. These are all the benefits of deep sleep. I want deep sleep to be your superpower, and I'm going to show you how to get more of it. I've written a book called Factor Focus. You can find the book at factorfocusbook.com. The reality is I have a chapter dedicated to showing you how to improve your deep sleep quality, and I'll give you that chapter for free. All you've got to do is go to factorfocusbook.com and download your free chapter today. Let me show you how to look better, feel better, and age slower based on science by enhancing your deep sleep naturally.